Good morning, science and history students. Okay, we're almost to the end. This is our last week of lessons before the end of this quarter. Today you have a short history article entitled Who Used the First Umbrellas? This is very similar to the articles you were given in the very first week of school. And we had some issues with that. So I'm going to go ahead and read this article to you and discuss the questions. So, who used the first umbrellas? The first umbrellas were used to guard against the sun, not the rain. Umbra is a Latin word that means shade or shadow. Slaves would hold a covering over their master's head. The shadow kept him from getting a sunburn. Only a ruler or king could have an umbrella. It was a sign of a royal person. The lands where this custom started were quite hot. Most of them were near Egypt. Since they had very little rain, they didn't think to use umbrellas for that reason. This happened long ago. We don't have written records from that time, so we really don't know just how long it took for the idea to spread. People in Europe started using umbrellas for the rain in the 1700s. These umbrellas were made of wood and heavy cloth. A type of umbrella became popular with women in the 1800s. It was called a parasol. Women used this umbrella as a sunshade or for decoration. Parasols were made of metal or whalebone, fine silk, and lace. Now, umbrellas are used for protection from rain and the sun. And if you ride the bus, you know that I use one because of the sun. All right. So the very first one says this story is about. So what was this story about? With that answer. But that's not what my concern is. So who used the first umbrellas? Again, that's located in the article. This next one says, write the sentence in paragraph 1 that tells what umbra means. You're expected to write the whole complete sentence that was used exactly from text, right? Usually I tell you to use your own words to answer your questions, but this one's asking you very specifically, which sentence is it? Don't give me the number. Write that actual sentence. The next one says, from what do you think the first umbrella might have been made? So they're talking about the very first umbrella. What do you think it might have been made of? Use the article for some background knowledge, and then think about the area that it was created. And this one is supposed to be your opinion. And please write this in a sentence. The next one says, what is a word in paragraph 4 that means something that adds beauty? If I go back up here, I know that they're paragraphs because of this indented space. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs. They're telling me paragraph 4. So it's going to be in this paragraph. It tells me exactly where to go to find the answer. And then the last question says, write a compound word found in paragraph 1. So I'm going to go back to paragraph 1. If you do not remember what a compound word is, that's from 3rd and 4th grade. A compound word, actually, I think it's 1st and 2nd as well, is where 2 small words are put together to create one larger word with a new meaning. So look for the compound word. Okay? Please use this small article. This should be an easier grade for you. Make sure that you do it completely. All right. Good luck.